And we like to do this cloud of words on your thoughts on serverless. So the way of working will be, this is Mentimeter, just a free web application in which you can access freely from your browser. I will share with you a code. Just you get into the Mentimeter, and we will share with you a couple of questions on serverless computing, and you just have to answer a couple of words, or I think it's a couple of words that come to your mind on that question, just to know what are the current trends, what are the concerns of people, and also maybe with what should you look at when you are working on serverless technologies. Okay, so just to look at the previous results, we have those are sorted by descending chronology. And so we have the first question that will be, what are the main challenges in serverless computing? We can see that it has gone from debugging to state latency, transparency, programming abstraction, security. In before, I know what is the order of this? No, it's ascending order to transparency, latency, state, and currently, and also related to the talk by Etienne and the ideas proposed by another assistant to the conference currently, or this year's WoSC10, which is the online version of the WoSC. As I said before, the main topic was sustainability and things that were more common before, that could be like productivity or debugging or standardization, that are kind of the usable part of the serverless, have taken less relevance maybe, and currently we are on sustainability, state sharing, and acceleration, because running serverless on GPUs is also a thing lately. So yeah, we are in that trend. So just I will show you this, which is the poll for this year of the WoSC. There we are. So you can simply enter. Wait, what is going on? So okay, but it's
the link maybe into Zoom.
You simply have to enter in Mentimeter and enter this code, and there should be a menu in which you can put your responses for this poll and see what are the trends on the serverless computing. Also, I would like to give a voice to Alec in this poll, but I feel we have problems because the only computer that has voice access currently is this. So no, he could know how we can do it. Well, for now, just fill in the poll and we'll see if we can comment together later. Okay. So yes, it should be like this. There we are. Very good. So for example, just an example, if I get into Mentimeter, join should be Mentimeter. Is it this one? And here, Mentimeter join, and I have 68224793. 68224793. If I join it, I enter this, and here I can put, for example, serverless. We can say if I submit this, there you are. I feel everyone is into it now. Thank you very much for your participation. Also, Alec, if you want to have some words on this, what we could do is, as you also have access to the Mentimeter, if you want, you could share your own screen. I pass the screen sharing to the computer with the voice output, and you can tell some words on it if you like.
Sure, we can try that.
Because now we cannot hear you because we are doing this from my computer that has no access to the speakers in the room. So once it is little full, we could do it right now. I could stop sharing and you could share if you want, and you can talk. Okay, so I just stop sharing this. Perfect. And now I pass to the Classroom PC, and now you can be heard.
Thank you. I hope you can hear me now.
Yes, perfectly.
Okay, great. So let's keep it running for another 20 seconds.
And also, I don't know if Pedro is there, if he wants to say something on his thoughts.
Yeah, I'm here. No, it's fine. You are doing perfectly. I think we are reaching 34 responses, and it's nice because it differs from previous workshops where state was always the first one, and here it does not even appear. So people are worried by other challenges different than state.
Maybe because serverless is getting more and more mature. So the question is how to go forward, like not just that it is great, but what are the potential drawbacks and problems, so like vendor lock-in.
Even AI that was hot last year, now it does not even appear.
Yes.
Well, very small,
It's
yes.
small AI, very small AI.
Very small.
Very little. It's a very timid AI. Yes. Introverted AI.
Okay, should we stop on this?
Yes, so we could do the same for the second question. I stopped sharing, like you will not be able to talk for a minute or so. I share the Mentimeter, they enter the second Mentimeter, and then you talk again. Are you
Perfect.
okay with that?
Yeah, let's do this.
Perfect. So I will go to my computer. I'll share it. This. And now, next one here. So next question is, what is the future of serverless computing? That is what is going to be the more relevant to do in this field next years. So you can follow the same pattern to participate. Just enter the code, enter your thoughts on this, and that would be it. I will keep on with the screen sharing until a couple of words appear. There we are. So now I can pass the testimony to my colleagues. There we are. And now we should be able to hear you. And you can share your screen.
Okay, so let's see what is the future of serverless computing. I see more AI in future. And it seems to be a lot of different topics.
I feel that people got like too personal what you said, that AI is disappearing, and now
Nice to see K8s Kubernetes somewhere in the middle.
well, not somewhere, just in the middle. Yes.
Yeah, seems ease of use also.
Yes.
And overcoming the AI hype, sure.
Okay, so we have AI and overcoming AI. Great.
Let's leave it for another like 30, 40 seconds.
Yes, and also as if someone in the public has thoughts on this or something you can speak to.
One thing.
Also, I feel we may have a problem because I have the free version of the Mentimeter, and I feel with 25 responses and 21, we have 4 responses more to end up the free version, I feel. So
we are living on the edge. One that I really missing here, which is WebAssembly. I think, you know, it's based on the talk we had and the keynote we are going to have, I think I see a lot of WebAssembly in future. Okay, few more seconds. I see no more. Oh, one more. Okay, thank you, whoever put WebAssembly. Okay, I think we can finish at this. We will capture screenshots of those results.
Yes, sure.
Put them some, link them.
Well, I feel I can save the results in my account just if you need them. So afterwards, I will send you everything.